Hi everyone, this is Derek Gilson here, and today I just want to take a few minutes just to share with everyone why I got involved in the industry of network marketing, why I chose Seacret as a vehicle of choice to really help me achieve the goals, the dreams, to help me get more time freedom, and more importantly also that financial freedom to really just do the things that I've always wanted to do, but most importantly to help me just create a lifestyle, to be able to have more choices to do the things that I've always dreamed of doing. So with that, I know that there are people out there. There's folks that I've been in contact with 16 months ago. I shared a little bit about Seacret with and tried to get on the same level with those folks. And I know that there's those that we've been in contact almost 10 years ago when I got involved in this industry. And I'm just here to just share more about why I got involved in the industry, more about Seacret, and share a little bit about my story. And there might be somebody out there right now that is looking for a better way. So, and also just to share with the organization, you know, why I got involved in the industry and what I've seen and what's happened for us. And it's almost every single day that, you know, our family, we talk about how blessed we are, how fortunate we are to be a part of this organization. And we continue to share that passion with others because we know that we're changing people's lives. I know that our lives have changed and we've been able to touch just a few other people that in return they've actually been out there to touch a lot more people, and to see those people's lives is just amazing. So for me, I just never know whose life I might be able to change or indirectly through somebody else. And that's what I love about this industry is all that we do is we just share with people who are ready to take in the information to see if this is something for them or not. And that's where really I was. I was there at that place and moment of time almost a decade ago. I was actually in college and university when I actually came out to take a first look at the industry of network marketing. My father actually pretty much dragged me out to take a look at a presentation. And when I was in college and university, I was on my way to becoming a sign language interpreter. And the only reason why I was looking at becoming a sign language interpreter is because that was the skill set that I had. I grew up, both my parents used sign language to communicate. They're both deaf. And so I thought, you know what, since I have, I know how to interpret a little bit, and I know how to, of course, communicate in sign language, this is what I was going to do, because I just didn't know really what I wanted to do with my life. Even though growing up I tried a few different little self-employed types of businesses, you know, anything such as like shoveling people's driveways and getting paid $5 or $10 a driveway and just getting excited about that. So there I was in college, university, and I took a look at the industry of relationship marketing, and like I said, my father dragged me out to a presentation, and I'll never forget, you know, at that moment in time they really talked about some philosophies that really changed the way that I looked at how business actually worked. I learned how you could actually achieve you know, financial freedom and financial freedom by building a network, and how most people they go out and look for work. Well, the richest people in the world, they actually build networks, and so I thought that was quite interesting. And they taught me to become a student, to really follow a system, which stands for save yourself time, energy, and money. Learn from somebody or a group of people that have more success than you. And I thought, you know, I can do that. I can become a great student. So I got involved with that company. I spent actually about 7.5 years with that company. It was a service-based company. And today I've learned that, you know, services are a little bit more difficult to take from one country to another. My family never got passionate about that company that I was working with, so I just knew that I was looking for a better way. Even though I was doing okay with that company, I just knew that it was always about the marketplace. The marketplace would dictate how well your company would do. So 16 months ago, I got involved with Seacret because I was at a moment in time where I was looking for you know, something better. I had actually stepped away from the industry for about 6 months in between Seacret and the previous company, and I was just really taking a look. I got approached by a lot of different companies, and I was just not interested in what I had seen out there, and I wasn't that type of person who just wanted to just jump into the next thing. I wasn't about that. There was a lot of credentials that I was looking for because I had experienced a lot of different things in the last network. I had learned quite a few different things, and one thing that I did learn is that you got to get started in the industry. But though, because of the experience and the people that I met, I knew that I was looking for a particular company that just had a half a dozen things that I needed in order to get started with them. So with Seacret, what was amazing about the vehicle of Seacret is that a lot of people that I knew were actually buying the products already. My mom actually bought the product at a kiosk at a mall. What was great is that as I was learning about the model, that they were already successful. They were actually doing they were doing millions of dollars without actually a network marketing model attached to it, meaning that the product itself was actually retailing and doing extremely well without a network marketing model to it. And so what I've learned over the years is that when it comes to building a network, you need to have a product that really would just sell itself. And this was the first time that I had seen ever that a product was selling on its own. They had done very well, and this was the first time that really in the industry that we had seen that without the network marketing model that we could be successful. And so I got excited about that, but most importantly I could actually see that for those that I knew that was already buying these products or have bought these products or got it as a gift and they know about it, that I could actually offer it to them less. Because in the industry, the overall industry of relationship marketing, the whole concept is that instead of people seeing different types of advertisements, that the companies don't actually have to spend the millions of dollars today with advertising. They can actually pay people to actually advertise their product or their service and get passionate about it because they love the product that they're marketing. And so for me, I really love the fact that Seacret had already been successful without me, meaning that all I had to do is I just had to let people know that these products were now available through network marketing. So it made a lot of sense for me, made a lot of sense for my family, and I am more convinced than ever that we have the best opportunity today. I know that there are some other great companies out there, but Seacret is truly amazing. It's been able to today help retire my parents financially. I'm able to write them a check every single month, and to me that's everything. To see that the lives that we're touching, to be able to see that other people's families, their lives are changing, and to me that's why I got involved further along within my careers. It wasn't just about me, being able to have that time freedom, being able to have that financial freedom. It was truly about having a large group of people around myself that were doing well, that had the right mindset, that wanted a little bit something different, that didn't want to work a 9-to-5 job, that wanted to have more time with their family, and just to know that they had control of their future. And so that's what I love about it, to be able to travel more, to just really just be around some amazing people, and to create a whole new lifestyle has completely changed who I am and where I'm headed. So that's why I got involved in the industry. That's why I got involved with Seacret, and there's definitely more to share. But with that, if you are looking into the industry, I'd love to connect with you. Definitely share more information with you, and the best is yet to come. And truly, there is a better way. With that, take care. God bless. Bye-bye. Love and peace.